Hi guys, I'm going to be making some slime on Super Slimy Simulator. So these are the slimes I made right now. Yeah, I like most of the slimes I made. Meh, what happened? Right, pink, right. This is good slime. That feels nice. Oh. Okay. Right, we're gonna make a slime. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, right, okay, guys. So we are going to be doing a chunky slime. Okay, let's make it. Ooh, this is cool. What's really good? This one is really plastic slime. Right, color. We're gonna do. Right, okay, we're doing like a turquoise slime. That looks cool. By the way, my cousin told me to do this color. Yeah, I've already given her a shout out, so I can't give her a shout out again. But she's my cousin. Right, okay, great. We're gonna do like a monster slime. Yeah. My cousin's friend also said that. Ooh, this is cool. Right, this is good. Right. Choose decoration too. What? Yeah, foam beads. Okay, what color? Gray. Okay, sprinkle my decorations. We are. Okay, guys, this has had an update. I did one before, but then it was deleted. I don't know why. Right, monster slime. Okay, let's play with it. Right, let's see what this feels like. Oh, that feels cool. Thank you. Okay, guys. Okay. Oh, I want to show you this, guys. It's so cool. It's like a metallic. I got it off this game that I played, and I watched a video and somebody made it, so I just felt like making it. Okay, guys, now we're gonna do a jiggly slime. That's gonna be a good idea. Right, okay, jiggly. Where's jiggly? Where are we? Right, jiggly. Okay, while I'm mixing, I'm gonna give some shout outs. Right, okay, I've got a new friend on Animal Jam. She's my best friend. I don't know what her real name is, but her name is Dancer08, so I'm gonna give her a shout out. Right, we're gonna do like jiggly black slime. No, jiggly black metallic. No, jiggly black galaxy blue slime. No, just black. I mean, not blue. Okay. Blend in the color. Right, choose decoration 1, glitter. Gray. Wait, no, pink. Not pink. This is not a galaxy slime, guys. It's just a slime, basically. I don't know what to call it, though. Okay. Table glitter. Okay, guys, we're gonna do more glitter. Okay, guys, we don't know what we're gonna pick. Okay, we're gonna do pink. Oh, now this is cool. I don't know what to call it. So just call it glitter slime. Yeah, call it. No, call it. Okay, mystery slime. No. Call it slapjack. What? No, I'm gonna call it glitter slime. Right, okay, we're calling it glitter slime. If you don't agree with me, comment down below what you would actually do. What you would call it. I would probably call it mystery slime, glittery slime, or whatever my cousin said. Oh, I think this is the thing that I can... I finally ingredient that I can do it with. Oh, that actually looks really nice. Look at that. That looks nice. It actually looks nice. Oh. Okay, guys. I think I'm going to end the video here. So I will see you. Wait, one second. I will see you in my next video. Go! Where'd he go?